Hi, beauties! Welcome back. Tirtir Milk Skin Toner delivers on its promises of hydration, brightness, and soothing benefits, making it a standout product for achieving glass skin. Its watery, lightweight formula absorbs effortlessly into the skin, leaving behind a dewy glow without any greasiness. I appreciate its multitasking abilities, as it not only provides deep moisturization but also addresses various skin concerns like anti-aging, acne fighting, and wound healing. The inclusion of key ingredients such as rice bran, licorice, Centella asiatica extracts, niacinamide, adenosine, peptides, and ceramides ensures that my skin receives ample nourishment and protection. I particularly love how it calms and soothes my irritated skin, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I found that layering the product twice worked wonders for my dry and combination skin, while oily skin types can use it as an all-in-one moisturizer after cleansing. The dermatologist-tested formula gives me confidence in its safety and efficacy. Overall, Tirtir Milk Skin Toner lives up to its claims of providing fresh, dewy skin with deep moisturization and long-lasting hydration. It's become a staple in my skincare routine, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a versatile toner that delivers noticeable results.